John Murtaugh with MCI Flowtronex. We're going to talk about a nice feature we've added to our control platform. When we work on your system, or we come in and make a few changes, or maybe there's something we're trying to figure out, so we work, and two or three of us are working on the system. We have a service notes. So if you want to see what the service notes are, when you're on your platform, as you see here, you go to your station maintenance, and over here you're going to have what's called a maintenance log. When you go into the maintenance log, it's going to show you any notes that happen to be put into the maintenance log, and it will show you who put them in and what they say. If we open this note, it's going to say that it was from me, it was actually done today, and I confirmed a couple of things for the customer on this one. Simple as that. There's always a little note in here of any changes we've made or any issues we've solved.